What's going on, you guys? It's Tuesday. We're getting closer. One more day. We're going to review math pages 203 to 204, science pages 543 to 549. Get those ready. Let's do the science first. So it says plants release oxygen into the air. Wow, we need oxygen so we can breathe. Planting gardens on rooftop also helps keep the cities cooler in the summer. Vocabulary, pollution, and if you went a little further, there was the word conservation. Probably forgot that one because you didn't go far enough, but it's okay. Write it in now. As you read this chapter, right, underline some there, some text coding, but right here, let's see, you might have said that the food and shelter has two helpful effects, right? So the helpful effects of plants, food and shelter, and may list poisons and invasive species as two harmful effects of plants. As you read about it, invasive plants like the kudzu, right? It grows very fast, and what it does is it chokes out other plants. If we were in class, we would look these up, check out some of the videos that I'm going to send to you today in the Quizlets, but look at the videos. But there's a lot of plants. I would talk about one beautiful plant that was growing in my in-laws' yard. But what it was doing was it was choking out the other plants around it and killing off the bushes, and it would grow up through the bushes. And it was an invasive species brought from another country because it was real beautiful, but it wasn't um, a plant that should be in the surroundings. And basically, invasive, it invaded. We could talk about invasive animals eventually. We'll talk about those like the pythons, the boas, the constrictors down in the Everglades. That's why they get out there and hunt them because they are an invasive species. So there's that. All right. What would happen? Well, the population of the prey would go up, right? The zebras would go up, the gazelles would go up. There'd be more of them. And so some of the prey are grazers, and what they would do is the plants could be overgrazed and the soil could blow away. So the lions are there to eat the zebras and the gazelles and keep their population balanced. And the grass can grow and it's not going to be all eaten up and taken away. Um, Circle of Life, Lion King, those are the types of things we would talk about there. And then the math, 65 million minus 27 million, answers 38 million. 240 million minus 65 million is 175 million. And how might the increase in cars affect the environment? Well, it will cause more pollution. It would also cause more habitat loss as more roads are built. So there's that. Now our math. Okay, let's go over our math page 203 to 204. Let's go. Let's get ready for this one. Number 6, what'd you guys say? It's a no, there are 0 lines, right? Number 7, what'd you say? I'd say yes. How many lines? 2. Yep. Number 8, it's a yes. 1 line. 1 line. All right, number 9, what'd you say? Yep. Yes. 1 line. Ooh, number 10, what'd you say? Rotate the paper, remember? There it is. It's a yes, and there's 1 line. Number 11, what'd you say? Notice what I'm doing, I'm going to rotate the paper to look at it. No lines are going to work, even if I draw them. It's going to be a big fat no. All right, review. On the back, number 16, 1575, you could have added it or you could have multiplied it. I don't care. Get the answer, right? You have strategies, use them. So the tickets are going to cost us $31.50. How much more would I need? Well, $31.50 minus $23.75. No calculators, all right? Use your math wits. Use your regrouping. A lot of regrouping in this problem. Did we get $7.75? Yes, we did. I forgot my dollar sign. That's what I was looking for. All right, which of the following numbers has exactly 2 lines of symmetry? Not that one. That has 1. Letter right there, horizontal and vertical. Which of the following letters is not line symmetric? Well, we could do a line here, we could do a line here, we could do a line here. And that way you could look back and hopefully look back into your colored pages, okay? So that knocks out All right. Our review on Tuesday, May 19th, the pages 203 to 204 for math and your science. All right. 2 more lessons will come out on Wednesday, 2 more on Friday. Get them turned in on time. Later, guys.